Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about Akuna Capital's Python coding challenge or any associated GitHub repository. However, I can provide you with a general tutorial on how to approach coding challenges and share your solutions on GitHub, which may be helpful for Akuna Capital or any other coding challenge. Before diving into the coding challenge, carefully read the prompt or problem statement provided by Akuna Capital. Understand the requirements, constraints, and expected output. Identify the key components and any specific instructions. Make sure your development environment is set up with the necessary tools and libraries for Python programming. If Akuna Capital has provided any specific requirements, ensure that you meet them. You may want to use a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. Initialize a new GitHub repository to host your solution. This is where you'll commit your code and provide documentation. You can create a new repository on the GitHub website or use the following commands in your terminal. Write Python code to solve the coding challenge. Break down the problem into smaller tasks, and implement each part gradually. Make sure to follow best coding practices, use descriptive variable names, and include comments for complex sections of code. Here's a basic example structure for your Python code. Create test cases to validate the correctness of your solution. Ensure that your code handles edge cases and performs well on different inputs. You can use Python's built-in unitest module or any testing framework of your choice. Include a readme.md file in your repository to provide information about your solution. Include details such as the problem statement, your approach, any assumptions made, and instructions on how to run your code. Commit your changes and push them to your GitHub repository. Use meaningful commit messages to track your progress and make your code base understandable for others. If Akuna Capital requires you to submit your solution via GitHub, share the repository link provided by GitHub. Ensure that your repository is public or that Akuna Capital has access to the private repository if required. This general tutorial should help you prepare and share your Python coding challenge solutions on GitHub. If you have specific guidelines or requirements from Akuna Capital, make sure to follow them accordingly. ChatGPT